Good morning, everybody. Monday morning this morning, and this is Mike, your host, Global Trading Software, and coming live from the studio. I call it my office in Tennessee, Nashville, Tennessee. Um, Good looking day outside this morning. Doesn't look too great for the market this morning, though. Crazy things are going on. As you guys are seeing in the news this morning, we got the Afghanistan thing we got to worry about, and all kinds of things going on. China closing ports, Delta, COVID. Um, it's just crazy. You got earnings coming in with all this other mess going on. So the political risk, that's facing the markets today is going to be kind of odd, I would say. Tech stocks are being hit pretty bad. China's tech stocks are. It's just kind of crazy this morning. Um, But if you're looking at Facebook, I guess they're planning to do an overseas cable thing, so that might be something you want to look into. Um, Cable Link, it's called. It's a link to Japan and Asia. They're announced that this morning, and then they're saying this morning also that there's no way we're going to get to herd immunity. And so, just some things in the market this morning as far as the news goes. I kind of keep up with stuff like that. Um, Waiting for my phone to kind of charge. I left it off the charger last night. Woke up this morning and it was dead. Also, um, I opened me a new account, my online account, I'm going to call it, and I'm trading with it this morning. I got two accounts now, but I'm trading one, um, trading them both, teaching my wife on the other. So that's going to be good. We're not really going. I'm trying to probably going to do too much of a risk today as far as big contracts unless we get a good move. But I think it's going to be kind of crazy today with all the downs in the market. I seen the Dow this morning; it fell a lot. So S&P and NQ weren't too bad. The Dow was. We'll kind of keep an eye on it. Um, I'm just going to kind of go. What's it old? What's there? I wanted to kind of go down to the bottom here and just kind of read some of this. Don't pay attention to this right here, right now. It looks like the RTY is, about 0.73%, ES 0.38, NQ 0.35, YM 0.41. These are all downs for the day. Silver's down 0.82, which is a pretty good drop there. You got your energies. Oil looks like it's at 301. Oh, that's going to be kind of nice at the market this morning open. And I was walking, this is on here because I was walking a friend through something on a chart Sunday. He likes to trade with this, so I'll show him how to use it. But anyway, I don't use it. But anyway, it's kind of cool. I have people ask me all the time about little things. But he did get he really loved this. After I got to talking to him, he was like, oh my God, he's like, that's so amazing right there. So he's probably going to get the whole package today because he was really impressed Sunday when I was showing him and a few of my friends at my house Sunday how this really works. And they were just really enjoying it. So that was kind of cool. We're going to go back over here and just kind of keep ourselves on a oil chart this morning and look at this oil. Ooh, there you go. There's a 6-star right there already. I just got on. That was probably about 30 minutes ago, 38 minutes ago, at the big 6-star divergence right there. I wish I could have got this one. That was nice. But like I said, we got plenty of time today because the market's probably going to be really, really down. Good morning, Daniel. How you doing, brother? And Daniel, I was looking at stuff this morning, and I really think that um, maybe I can. We'll keep an eye on the oil at the oil pit at 9 this morning. But I think at the open, man, we should maybe I'll have you watch like the NQES. I'll watch the YM or the silver or something like that. I really think something's going to break as far as we could see a big fall with something. I mean, a major fall this morning on one of these. Oil could be a big fall because of the Middle East, and you just never know what's going to happen there with Afghanistan and all that. So but right now, the bond yield, the 2-year yield's down 0.1. That's not too bad. 10 years up 0.17. So usually like you start seeing these bond yields play a factor in our movements. So we'll see what happens with that also. But, so what do you think, Daniel? What do you think today is going to be? I think it's going to be a down day. S&P's down about 16 and a half points. Looks like the euro is, not doing too great either. Not too bad though. 10 euros 33. Crude is down 2.3. So it's getting there. It's 17 points on the S&P fall already. So we'll see what happens with this morning. But I'm kind of keeping an eye on it over here on another screen. I've got I got just it all set up over here so I can see the news and everything. Yeah, no, yeah, that's a no. That's right, man. We're gonna probably get some really good signals. I'd say it probably before the open, or maybe with oil. And well, oil's already got the 6 star here, man. I wish it could have been in on, but we'll have to pass this one because it's already too late to get in it. We don't chase. But I'm saying we're probably gonna have an NQ or an ES, or one of those are gonna fall. I'd say the NQ is probably gonna tank. Possibility. We'll have to wait and see, but it's just Monday, man. Monday with bad news. You know what I mean? I don't think we're going to be tripping no 160 on the well, no 15,160 today on the NQ. So if you look over here on the 12-minute chart, we still have a chance over here at this one. The down on this right here is a 6 star came in right here with gust divergence on it already. So this is something, Daniel, we got to keep an eye on for the open. Really good. Good morning. Good morning. We'll keep an eye on this one for the open, guys, because right here, at the 1560.75, that's pretty much your entry there, but you can't enter because of the support level here. So I'm thinking about 15,055.50 right here, guys. If we break this level here, which I'm going to go ahead and draw me a line this morning to kind of give me a note that this is what we're looking at this morning also. We want to break this right here. Boom. We can break that right there. Good morning. We can get this broken right here this morning, guys. We should be set. You know what I mean? For a good fall. There you go. It's right there. So basically, we'll keep an eye on this one too, because we could really, really break and go lower. So the bottom's down here, guys. Way down here. The next stop down is like the 34. But look where the bottom is really sitting this morning. And I think we could possibly challenge this bottom today. The challenge bottom would be 941, guys, on the break. So if we can get this to fall down past this 55, 941 is probably where we're going to hit for the low. And that's a huge drop, man. That's 100 points. And so we're going to wait and see, though. But I think the NQ is going to come down today. I mean, it might be a slow kind of move down, but I think we're going to trickle down. On the worst case scenario this morning, we could have one of those sideways mornings after the open, with all the sentiment in the market, everybody kind of doing their thing. But you know how fear is in the market, man. People start selling off at the least bit of bad news. They start selling, sell. So that's what we're looking at this morning. Yeah, I just keep an eye on everything this morning and looking at the different things. The energy overtook the energy. The energy, our financials are out performing the energy. Isn't that strange? Kind of crazy. The financial stocks are outperforming the energy stocks. And so, but right now, I think they're in correlation. Finally, they got back in correlation. I think this morning or Friday, about 0.49. So that's kind of something to keep an eye on if you're in the financial sector, or if you're watching the energy stocks and stuff like that. So anyway, news tip. That's the news for the day. The tip of the day is going to be your keep an eye on your cryptos. A lot of them are going up on some good news. You know how that is, though. The news will fade out and they'll go back down. I don't really trade cryptos. I know some people do. In the future, I will be trading cryptos. In the future, it's something kind of cool. Just another chart. You know what I mean? It's kind of nice though. But I'm watching a lot of stuff this morning. We're just gonna see what we can get, guys. Yep, that's what I was looking at too. That gold, man, gold and oil this morning. That's just craziness, you know. Here's the gold chart he's talking about right here. Wow, there's the 6 star on it right there. It's probably too late to get in it now. We'll be chasing it. It always happens, you know, right before I get on. You know what I mean? Yeah, right on time there. You know, it's like wow. I don't know if my oh, hang on a minute, guys. Strange. Okay, cool. So basically, yeah, it had a 6 star candle on the opening range. Wow, on the 5 minute, you know, and I missed it. Beautiful chart though. I have a feeling today is going to be some of these are really, really going to run maybe to the downside. But that gold chart looking really good this morning. Widen this out. Hear this. I thought I had it in my notes right here, but I'm definitely using my pad. Definitely taking notes on this one. Yeah, as long as there's no data coming out. Yeah, you're right about that one, Paul. But yeah, I made a note with that one also. I had it by the notes, but I changed my notepad to a smaller pad for my desk. So I got all down here now. I got the gold, the oil pit opens. Because those are important, man. You can really make money on this stuff if you catch them right. That goes right there. But that's a nice looking chart this morning. Look at the gold. Boom. Yeah, that's hilarious. I think his kids, though, Paul, I think they're small, man, like 4 or 5. I think they're 5 years old or something. I don't know how. I forgot to ask him, Daniel, how old his kids are, but get them on the bus in the morning and everything else. That's kind of cool. I remember those old days. Walking to the bus stop. Wow, I used to have to walk 2 miles to get on the bus because we lived out in the country. It's crazy. I hear you, man. I only have one daughter, and I have one daughter and 2 grandkids, but she's really good at it. She does really well. She's almost finished school, so she's getting ready to graduate. I'm trying to get her to take up trading, but yeah. Oh mercy, that's funny, man. Oh mercy. The only thing that's funny, man. I don't know. Yeah, we're just looking at this gold, man. This gold looked really good this morning. Look at that move. Wish I could have caught that, but I'm keeping an eye on it. I do think we're going to get some good moves though this morning. I'm thinking. I don't know about you, Paul, but I'm thinking. I mean, my sentiment on the market this morning's down. So I don't know what you think, but that's what I think. There's just a lot of crazy stuff going on, man. But I do believe something's going to give this one. Is going to give up some money. But I used to watch the NQ here a lot, but I've got where I'm kind of, I'm kind of more or less now doing like like you showed me to do and how you teach us to do, and that's not focus on just one thing. We need to focus on a lot of things so we can kind of maximize our capital. Yep, that's what we're doing this morning. We're just waiting on signals. I don't trade nothing but the signals anymore. I've learned that. And I learned that last week too, when you guys see me take that $4,600 trade in one day. That was beautiful. And I made a video. I copied that video and I sent to every one of my friends. So they're like, wow. Um, and I've also been approached by some other guys. They're like, hey, man, you should be putting this on, Nashville television. And I'm like, well, cool. We could probably do that later. But that's really neat. So I'm really excited about that guy. He's really cool. Good dude. Known him for a long time. I did a dive show, Paul, scuba diving show, a couple years ago. It was really cool. I enjoyed it. That's one of my pastimes. I really like to scuba dive. I think it's a lot of fun. That and lobster diving, man. Have you ever been lobster diving, Paul? Man, that is fun. Go down and get those big giant lobsters, man. And they're not really that deep of water, but man, if you can find a good spot to get them, like right off the coast of Florida, man, it's just amazing. Fresh lobster is really good. Right now, though, it's crazy. It says the billionaire of New York bottom feeders buy malls and they're just buying up everything. It says. I guess the pandemic earnings pretty much got fumbled on some of that. I just think that today is going to be crazy, man. But we got some stuff coming out. I got to look at my economic calendar this morning. Let's see if I can pull it up real fast because my phone, I usually use it on my phone, but I'm charging my phone this morning, guys. So if you can't reach me on message this morning, guys, I'm sorry. I'm just getting a phone charged. So let's see what we can get here. No, that's not going to work either. Oh, yeah. That's just amazing, man. That is amazing. We like the big trades. And what Paul is talking about, kids on the bus are trading gold or silver. That's me, man. Y'all can stay home from school. I got silver to trade. I mean, it's just funny. I was looking at silver this morning, and it was like showing my wife, and I just went on there and hit like the sim button, and it was funny. It came out of that big dip, and boom, went straight up like a grand. And she's like, "Honey," I'm like, "Yeah, I'm just showing you how quick it is. When it runs, it runs." I really like silver a lot. What about the copper today? I think copper's going to take a beating today. Just sure out beating. Um, it's not been looking too good this morning on the copper side, with other things going on with China. So that's one of the ones that's affected too, probably this morning. But we'll check it out. Yeah, kids on the bus or trade. Come on, what are you gonna do? Let's just check out our silver. One of my favorite charts of the mornings right here. I love silver. I used to never trade this, but this right here to me is the bomb right here. Yep, that's what I thought so too. That oil and silver kind of work, or excuse me, um, copper and copper and oil kind of work together sometimes. We'll keep an eye on that one. We have about 7 minutes to the oil pit open. Um, Look at this on the 5 minute here, guys. This is what I was talking about this morning. I was just showing my wife this morning, and it was this candle right here. It didn't have the 6 star. And 6 star came in after I was just showing her on sim. Boom. It's like, wow. This right here, if you would, if you got this 6 star here, man, this is beautiful because this is some money right here. As you guys know, it pays a lot better than most of them. Silver is a really good payer, but we're also almost hitting that old support, new resistance, 670 there. So we got to watch that because it's probably gonna, if it would keep going, be great. But this could be where she pulls back right here. But like I tell guys all the time, in the days when we have these, it's every day, guys. When you have the downs, you're gonna have the pullbacks, and when you have the ups, you're gonna have the downs. But then it could shoot back up again. It's just part of the market. Um, and it takes people a long time to understand when you get this long run, you're gonna have a pullback. Okay. And then when you get the pullback, you're either gonna have the bounce or you're gonna have the fall. So it's either way, but that's just the way you judge it every time. You gotta just be able to stay in those pullbacks. All right, Paul. Thank you, man, this morning. It's good to talk to you. You have a blessed day, man, and make some money. Hope you guys do good over there on the inner circle. Oh, here we go. If you guys notice, man, I got my hair cut Saturday. Can't stand that bushy hair no more. It's killing me. I got my hair cut. You got to look good for TV. No, just kidding. Just playing. It's YouTube. But anyway, we're looking just about 5 minutes, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and just go on over to the oil charts because the oil pit opens in 5 minutes, and we're gonna be waiting on this right here. Um, see what happens here. We'll see if this thing takes off or if we get a down. Let's see. You've got the 6 star on the 1 minute already over here. On the, whoops, that's the wrong one. Let's get out of there. There you go. As you can see, guys, we already had the 6 star sell right here, man, this morning. And man, that thing is nice. Beautiful divergence in this. Boom, all the way down to the bottom here. Trying to get the rebounds here off the bottom. This is what I was telling you guys. This is your down sideways pullback. So you got your down here, you got your pullback. So we could rebound up this morning, or I don't think we might, but we are showing kind of like a move here. It could come on a little stronger going up, but we'll find out on this oil pit open. What I'd like to see it do is break this and come back down. I'd like to see it fall 50 points, but I don't think it will, but we'll see. Let's check out this copper chart. Oh yeah, look at this. You got the 6 star here also. It was into support though, so you couldn't really get this one here. So we wouldn't have traded this trade here, but look how it bounced off the bottom here, off this fall. Boom, straight up, pull back. Boom, pull back, straight up again, pull back. So we could bounce right here also back up to the top. As you can see, she's making. Well, you had the higher high here and the higher high here, but there's really not a higher high here. So this is kind of, I guess. Yeah, it's a higher high there. So you got a higher high there, but now we're kind of making that low here on this candle. So she made some higher highs. So will she make another one is the question, or will she tank back down to the bottom here at the base of 32.35? That's something we'll keep an eye on. But it's nice just to watch these charts and keep an eye on things this morning. Looks like we've everybody's saying we're having a failed public health system. Who knows? I don't really get into politicals, so I really don't comment on stuff like that. I just read the news. You know what I mean? I'm on here to trade. I know news affects us, but I really don't kind of grouch your guys' day with a bunch of sovereign crap that we don't need to talk about. We like to keep it upbeat, and I know we have times when it's not upbeat. Some things you have to report on in the news, but some things you just report on and let go. So that's how we kind of handle things. I'm not one for sticking with subjects too long, unless they're making us money. Now, then I'll stick with this subject. If it's making us cash, we're good. Daniel's going to get a kick out of Paul's comments. Put your kids on a bus and trade. Yeah, NQ 5-star sell this morning on the 1 minute already. Boom, right here. There's the sell on the 1 minute. It's got 10 points on it. So let's see if we get a 6-star on this. But we're almost to we only got a minute for the oil. I'll go back to oil. We'll keep an eye on that one right there this morning. But see what happens with the oil. Yeah, that was funny, dude. He said that this morning. He's like, put your kids on the bus. Well, I'm going, just let them walk the bus. It doesn't matter if they're toddlers. Your wife would kill you. Oh, natural gas on the 6 star, huh? Okay, cool. Thank you, man. Appreciate the update. I don't really have a natural gas on, but I'm going to put it on this afternoon. Also, remember I was telling you about that what was it, nickel? I think it was. It's not nickel. For some reason nickel was showing what, 12, $1,400 a price or something like that. Maybe I'm just wrong, but this morning I was showing 27,000. I think that's NIKKI or NIKKIE or something like that. It's a futures, but I just keep trying to pull it up, and it doesn't. There's something going on there. I'm about to get a hold of these guys because I really want to trade that. Too bad we can't trade the FTSE also, which they call the FTSE FTSE. FTSE, in case you guys know what the FTSE is, that's what it is. It's a really good mover. A lot of guys in London trade the FTSE. Um, I got that from Lisa Abronowitz off of Bloomberg. I was like, wow, I didn't never know. I've heard it called that many times, but just really I never traded it or looked at it. So I started looking at it when she started talking about it one day. It's kind of cool. I give her a shout out to her this morning. She's on my Twitter page. Um, so there's the oil pit open, guys. Looks like we're gonna fall right back down to the bottom here. Probably just took a little bit off of this one contract and been done. It's part of the 6 star down here, but let's wait for the next candle. See if the next candle comes on down. Oil pit. The oil pit right here. If we get another break candle down, maybe I might just take one little contract. We are still in the 6 star anyway. She's going to come down to the bottom here, but this wick touches, we're done. So if this wick comes down and touches the bottom here, you would not, I would not take anything off this, but hopefully we'll break this on the pit, man, and just start falling. And we look left over here, guys. Well, if I can look left, what I meant. I mean, let's get out of there. Duh. You can see there's like a lot of room back here for a fall. So that's what we want to see. Lots of room. Nah, she's not going to do it. So that's what I was talking about right there. She kind of fell down a little bit on the pit open. Now she's back up to the EMA. So while we're watching that one real quick, let's go over and check out what copper is doing. Copper's going to move up, so oil is going to probably follow it. So let's watch oil reverse this morning and go back. Very good possibility, but I'm not going to trade it. I'm not going to trade anything this morning until I get another 6 star at the open. At the open, probably is when we'll start trading. But you still got that 1 minute 6 star sell on that NQ, so we are going to keep an eye on that one. There it comes back down again. I figured it would jump back down. There he comes. So we're just kind of watching this, guys. But like Paul said, you guys keep an eye on your copper and your oil. Because they kind of like correlate. Correlation is good. So we're just going to wait and see this morning so we get. Maybe we'll get some really good things coming out. Yeah, Daniel, you got five kids. That's cool, man. I only got one. Let me ask you guys a question. How did New Zealand is Delta free? I mean, they don't have anything over there. Is there something that New Zealand's doing that we're not? Maybe we should take some notes on New Zealand. I've seen that in the market this morning. New Zealand doesn't have a case of Delta at all. 3 dogs. Yeah, man, it does. You know, if you have animals, and you're this is how it starts out having kids, man. You get animals, then you get a girlfriend. Next thing you know, you're treating them like your kids. The next thing you know, you got kids, and then you get more animals. You know, it's just a revolving thing. It's funny too because that's how everybody, that's how I started. You know, we got the dogs, and you know, we like they were our kids, and next thing you know, boom, pretty cool. Yeah, thanks for that, man. Yeah, that's what they did, man. New Zealand just, I think what they done is they reacted a lot quicker than everybody else and just shut everything down. And then that way they just close it, you know, day one and said, we're not playing anymore, you know? And then that way you know, they're better off than everybody else now because they actually took steps quicker. And instead of like us having the United States having some kind of political BS, it's always involved in everything. A three-ring circus is what I call it. But you know, they're all saying it's Trump's fault. It's funny. Let's blame it on that last guy. You know, it's happening now, but we're blaming on somebody else. That's what they're gonna do. Point the finger, just blame. I don't matter to me though. I don't really get into the political part of the presidencies and stuff like that. I didn't even vote this time. Wasn't even worth my time. Well, you can't. I mean, that's weird because everything's wide open here. Look at this oil pit open. It's gonna fall, guys. We'll wait and see if it breaks another candle down. Yeah, I mean, I mean, everybody's out doing their thing. We don't have any kind of mandates or anything. Oh, there it comes right there, buddy. Well, just might sell one on this one. I'll let her break down one more. She's lower than when I wanted her to go, but yeah, I don't know, man. Damien, I can't believe you guys. So you guys can't travel, huh? You guys can't travel here yet? That sucks. Pardon my French. That's terrible. Yeah, I don't think we can travel there either. Yeah, I don't think we're allowed to travel there where you're at either. So they haven't really said, you know, it's this is crazy. I believe, man, I believe we're looking at another lockdown coming. I mean, that's just my opinion, but I hope not because I think it's stupid, man. There's some people, and I was watching a documentary on some guys in New York that own all those little bars down in Queens, and I felt sorry for them, man, because man, they're just you know, losing their butts, man, because of all these shutdowns. So that's why I didn't go into this candle right here, guys. um, yeah, Afghanistan, man, we should, you know, we pulled out of there. Boom, we let the Taliban. But you know what? Someone told me that, I mean, this might not be true. And this is not my opinion, guys. This is what someone told me. Um, he says that the Taliban's not wanting to take the shot, so they're fighting back. Oh, mercy. But anyway, that's something, you know, I think we ought to just stay out of people's business and let them do what they want to do. As long as they don't mess with us, I can care less what they do over there. Lost a lot of good friends there, and really don't care for, you know, I don't care what they do. As long as they ain't bothering us, let them have it. Learn how to mind your own business. Just think if like Putin was like we were and jumped on everybody. You know what I mean? It's just a bunch of headaches you don't need. But I do think the days of world police, man, I think that's coming to an end because people are just spending so much money on COVID. You know, yeah. I mean, it's just the way. I mean, it's like Daniel. It's true, man. We're both, you know, we're both veterans, and it's like, you know, you waste your time. You take everybody over there, get thousands of people killed, and then let's pull out, and then now they're right back to where they started. They're right back to Kabul, taking Kabul over, which was one of the hardest places to take during the Afghan war. And you just like hand it back to them. I just don't get it. I don't know what they're doing over there, but I feel sorry. What I feel sorry for is the veterans that lost their life prior to this, and for the families of those veterans. because it's just like a slap in the face. So, but that's my view on it. Yeah, right here. Yeah, we had that 6 star already this morning, which I was looking at earlier. But this one's a chasing. You're chasing this one right there at that resistance. Well, you don't want to chase that one. That silver can eat you alive on a chase. It will eat you alive. Okay, so Tuesday's retail sales, eco week, retail sales, industrial production. Wednesday's the housing Fed minutes. In case you guys want Thursday's job claims, guys. Make sure you keep up with the job claims on Thursday because we have jobs claims on Thursdays, and that could be a good market moving day. We're going to keep up with that one also. Of course, the Philadelphia's Fed speak also. Yeah, it's still, yeah, you got a bunch of resistance over here. See, look left. Boom. It's a bull market on it, but I'm not chasing. you're right about there's your entry, but you got this one here. So that you've already, there's the other entry right there. The 670 was your entry, just above that 670, 674, 671. Somewhere in that area you can enter, probably 671, 675. Just 675 would be perfect for me, just to take this one here. Now, if it pulls back and goes below this, I might re-enter, but right now, no. It's hitting this. It's hitting the resistance level right here on the 3 minutes. So that would not be something I would want to chase, due to the fact that silver likes to rebound, and if it takes a big fall or pulls back a lot, and sometimes silver will pull back a few candles, and some of those candles can be large, so you really don't want to chase it. What we'll do though is we will go ahead and mark this on here. As you guys can see, I'm being a lot more conservative than I used to be. I don't take trades that are already started, or that I'm already, it's already been running almost an hour. This is almost like 35, 40 minutes. So we don't want to be into something that we have to chase. And that's something I've learned. On what time frame? 5 minute? Yeah, I'm on the 3. We can go look at the 5. On the 15, I mean, we're still trading it's still trading the support level. So on the 15 and the 5 3 minute, or excuse me, I want to go back to those 5 minutes too. Yeah, see, 5 minutes. Yeah, yeah, it's at the resistance level, even on the 5 minutes. So I'm just not taking that one yet. If it breaks the resistance level, yeah, we could probably get and take some of it, but you really got to watch silver. And on the 5 minute chart, um, what's that, about the 725 over there? So it can go to the 765 probably. Um, but we'd want it to break this 730 here. I don't. It's weird. You're saying you get on the last 2 candles. The last time I got a 6 star was like 8:30, Daniel. Unless you're looking at something different. You might be looking at the 15-minute chart, or you might be looking at that's the same. No, it's 8:45. So my alerts are at 8:45, 8:30. It's almost 9:14. So I'm gonna put my XPrep back on this one though, because I want to make sure it's good this morning on the 1 minute. No chase. There you go. 5 minute. See this? There we go. So she is going to try to break that, but you got the other one sitting right there, right there. 56, 60, 60. So it gets another candle on the 1 minute. You could probably manage this on the 1 minute. I'm not going to. Um, I'm not taking late trades, and this is why. Look at this. Silver 3 minute chart in 5 minute, 803, 806 times. See, I'm not getting that. I don't know where you're getting that at. Because, I mean, look at this. Look at the 3 minute. Maybe we're different here. There's something wrong with my times. I'm getting a 6 star at 833, Daniel, not 806. Unless you're on it, I don't know, unless you're still looking at maybe my charts are on Eastern time, so maybe I don't know. That's what alerts I've got. But you're still gonna have to break the 760 before I'm taking anything on it. Which is right. Well, she could be good to the 760, but I'm just not going to chance it. I'm going to wait for the open. Right there's the 760, so just got to be play it smart with this silver. Silver can burn you on a return. I know. I've been burnt by this one before. Just being, you got to be careful with, and there's no divergence here. I don't see any. Um, there is a 6 star, but there is no divergence that I see yet. So on that time frame, let's go back and look and see if it's on any of the rest of them. Nope, none. So I don't have a divergence cloud there. So I'm not gonna mess with that one. All right, so we got a couple of minutes before the market opens, about 15 minutes or so, 16 minutes. S&P's down 13.5 this morning in points. Russell's down 11.50. The Nasdaq's down 43.25. So we're awaiting Powell this morning. That's what we're doing. I think Powell's going to speak this morning. I'm not sure of the time. I will look it up as soon as my phone or Daniel can look it up for us. Powell's supposed to be speaking this morning, Daniel, and I think the traders are all waiting. Because futures are falling and they're all waiting on Powell to speak. So I think it's today. I hope, but that's what the flash is right now on my screen. The futures are falling and the traders are waiting Powell. So we'll see what happens there. But right now the market's kind of stable right now. It's not really moving too much. Um, some things are moving, some are not. We're just gonna wait. Man, Tesla's taking a beating this morning. Down, they're down 1.48%, 10.58 because of that investigation they said they were going to launch against them. Yeah, the early movers this morning. Apple's moving pretty good this morning. Down. Facebook's down 1.28. JP Morgan Chase down 1.38. Bank of America down 0.38, 0.91%, 8.8. What is that? 0.86, I think. Yeah, over on JP Morgan's side. Facebook down 0.35. Just kind of give you guys. Is that tomorrow? Okay. Everybody's waiting on that. That's what the news flashes across my screen. It didn't say what time or when, but they're like, hey man, traders are holding back and waiting on Powell. So that might be what's going on. Let me get my phone, guys. I'll be right back. It should be right over here on charger. Plug my phone in up here beside us. Let's see if I can just plug it right over here, maybe and charge it, where I can kind of look at things this morning also. And I always get a bunch of messages every day. You guys know that. My phone's across the room in the office. It's kind of hard to answer text. So, yeah. Bitcoin says they're eyeing a 50K breakout, guys. We'll see if that works. It's like some of these things, man. It's just like they announce things, and it's like this is going to happen, and that's going to happen, and then you see Bitcoin, all these other things taking off, and then the next day, it's like they have a little rally, like like some of the smaller cryptos have a little rally, and everybody gets all excited. To me, I mean, personally, it's just like the old pink slip or pink sheet days. Big high volume, price move 1 cent. Um, and I'm sure somebody like Paul could really, I'm sure he's, knows a lot about those old, old pink sheet days. I mean, it's just craziness. If you've never seen The Wolf of Wall Street, it's a great movie. You guys got to watch it. One of my favorites. One of my favorites. I love that movie. All right, so we got about 8 minutes to the open. I'm gonna run and get some coffee, guys, right before the open gets here. Um, this way we can be ready. So put up there in the chat. Which chart? This we're just gonna do something this morning. Be kind of fun. What do you think is gonna run? Give me your answers. You guys think silver's gonna run? NQ, ES. What do you think is gonna be the one? I think we're gonna look down today, but um, let's see if we can figure out it. Just kind of have fun with it. Um, it'd be a lot of fun. Just to see if we can get one of them right this morning. But I guarantee you, I think really, guys, we really got to watch the open because it's really gonna. I think we're not going to have the big up that we want. Of course, we could be taken sideways for today. You never know. It's the market. So with that said, I'll be right back, guys. All righty, guys. Yep, the metals are up, energy's up, and indexes are down. That's pretty much it, Daniel. I think you hit it on the head, man. Yeah, this is crazy this morning. Definitely going to be watching the open this morning here. We only got about what 5 minutes to the open anyway. Go over the 12-minute over here. See what's going on. NQ is going to probably try to break up this. It might try to break this level this morning and push up a little bit on the 12-minute right here. Boom. Right there. We could get a little bit of a rise out of this one. Probably reverse back down. I think we're going to push this down this morning. So I think on the NQ, Daniel. I tell you what, Daniel, I'm going to keep it on the NQ this morning. If you want to watch the silver or one of the other ones, let me know which one you're going to watch, and then we'll just correlate together to get the best trade of the open. About 4 more minutes we got to the open, guys. It's going to be great. Probably going to do small contracts this morning, nothing big. Probably going to stay. I'm probably going to kind of keep myself conservative this first week here, this week especially, till the earnings times until tomorrow with Powell. I'll probably keep my contracts pretty low today because of the thing tomorrow with Powell. So, okay, I'll take the YM this morning. We'll take the YM. Oh, YM's already got a 6-star on it too, man. Right here, right before the open. So, and our entry's way up here, so that's really cool too, man. Yeah, we got some fresh air up to the 340, 342, guys. So yeah, this YM could be one that we need to watch right here at this open. Oh, come on, I didn't want the eraser. Fun times there. So your 6-star entry is one tick above, which is right there where it's sitting at now. I mean, it's just right there at the entry on the 1 minute. Let's let it pull back and see, but I do believe this thing might just take off this morning for us. If it takes off, it's going to probably head up to the 342, guys. So that's what we're going to look at this morning. Man, I just can't get my throat cleared this morning. 342. I said 53. We don't want that far up. Right there. Boom. So, see if we'll break this right here this morning at the open. That's what we're looking at. See if the YM will break this level right at the 325, 326 area. Boom. You got resistance here at the, it looks like about the 327. My entry's going to be around the 328, somewhere around there. But see, she's coming back down. So we'll see. 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes, guys. Oh yeah, it's terrible, man. It's like me. It's like this morning, like right in here. It's all right though. Yeah, I got 30 seconds. Almost a minute and 30 seconds. 30 seconds to the downside of 29 here. So minute. We got about a minute. About a minute 30 left. Minute 15 for the open. So we'll see what happens, guys. Right now, everything's looking down, but it's, it's like the YM showing a bullish market, but I think that's getting ready to change. I think this could be seriously a down day. Yeah, about 1 minute now for the open. But let's hope this breaks this. I would like to see at least break this and go to here. And then it can do what it wants to do. And I got my count on, and I've got my one contract in there. So I'm just trading one today. Just going to be on the safe side today with all the news. Not going to really try to push the issues with big money trades. Yeah, that'd be kind of cool. I can probably figure out how to get one of those on my chart. That'd be really neat to have like a ticker open that counts it down for us. That'd be really cool. It's a good idea, Daniel. All right. Market's getting ready to open right about now. Just going to grab this off the 6-star sell here, or the buy here. The YM open, guys. I'm already in this one. It's probably not going to try to go up too much, but I'm going to give it a chance. There it goes. I'm in the YM at the open. See if I can get something out of this one. She passed my entry for my entry on the 6-star, but I don't know if it's going to happen or not. Nah, it's going to reverse. Yeah, it's terrible. I knew it. She'll come back up though. I'm not risking a lot on it. You just seen I didn't. I pulled out of that one quick. I'm making sure I manage my risk. But oh man, look at this candle, dude. Where did that come from? Not bad though. Only lost 25 bucks. It says that's not bad. I'll take a $20 loss. Woohoo! She's gonna go right back up again. Watch. Let me get my money back right here. Yeah, they're gonna dip hard, man. I think a lot of things are gonna fall. I'm probably on the wrong chart with the crazy YM, but we'll see. I think she's gonna try to come back, man. I want to try to get this down off this YM if I can, but see this big giant crazy candles right here? That's just a nothing. Yeah, I figured NQ ES be weak at the open. They're not really moving too much right now. It's kind of sad. So we'll have to wait and see right here on this YM. Just gonna try to let her push down on the YM here. There she goes. That's what I wanted to see. I'm just taking back some of that 20. I just want to get my $20 back. So there you go. As long as I get my 20 bucks back, I'm good. Pushing down on the 1 minute here on the YM. There we go. Big fall, big fall, big fall. That's what we want to see. We want to see it tank, man. Just come on down. Just playing that reversal candle, man. That's what I was doing. There we go. Just come on down some more. She's really falling now in the YM, guys. She's going to come all the way down to the bottom down here. Probably going to tag that 26, 27 level. So we'll just take that. Not going to really give her a chance to pull back and kill me. So I'll stay in it for a minute, though. See, she'll tag the level. 30 seconds on it. Pulls back in 30 seconds. I'll drop it, just to take my profits and drop it. Just an open profit until I get a 6-star, because the 6-star is probably going to come in right here anyway. If it breaks this level, man, we're going to be tanking big time. Yeah, if it breaks this 271 here, this thing's going to tank. Next candle, come on, be a big down candle. Come on. That's what we want to see. Come on and fall, fall, fall. There's the 6-star, and I'm already in this, guys. So we'll see if she breaks. I just playing that perfect, didn't I? 6-star on the YM, guys. 6-star sell. And your entry's right there at the 255, 256 level. Wait for it to come down. NQ just now, well, never mind, not the NQ. YM's got this 6-star going on, so we'll see what we can get out of this one. If you're on here with me, no, entry is going to be right here at this 254 level, guys. There we go. Come on down, baby. Right there was my entry. Well, my entry is way up here, but if you're just getting into this, 253 was the entry on it. So we'll take that. I got one contract at $500 already. Let's go let it ride. I'll probably take my profits if it reaches 550. I'm just being very conservative today, guys. You guys can manage your trades, but I'm being very conservative with mine today. Um, very conservative. But the YN paid off being watching this chart this morning. Good 6-star fall here, almost topping the $500 mark. There it is, 5.25. This next candle's got 15 seconds. We want to make sure that I'll definitely be getting out on a pullback candle because I'm going to keep my profits this morning. Like I said, I'm playing conservative because of the news, guys. You know how I am about conservative on the news. So I got still trying to push a little bit down here. So we'll hold on to it for a few more minutes. Great trade, though. I got divergence in here with a 6-star algo. Trade manager showing us, higher than average volume, guys. Higher than average volume coming down. So this is a good, solid trade this morning for me. Really good looking trade. And it's got it could fall. It's got some fresh air on this one. So if you guys are in this trade with me on the YM, man, reach out and say something because you're probably making some good money right now if you're on the YM with me. Okay, so she's going to try to pull back a little here probably, but I will be taking my profits around the 500 range if she starts pulling back, guys. Just to let you guys know. But we'll see. Yep, it's coming on down. Still higher than average volume right here, guys. Boom. So we got some more of it. And waiting to see if she'll fall some more. She might be, with the big fall she had this morning, this might be a trace down, but it looks like she's going to try to pull back on us. We'll see. We'll see what she does. It's 30 seconds right here. You like to pull back 30-second mark, come back down to when it gets to that 45 mark, we'll find out what this candle is going to do about the last 15 seconds for a push down. Watch her push down. See that? This is the last 15 seconds. You'll get that push down. And the next candle will come on here in about 10 seconds. So we'll see what the next candle brings. The next candle could be an up candle. If it is, I'll get out, take my profits and roll. You know what I mean? Right now, we're still trying to push down again. Barely got the push going. Those smaller, weaker. So it's still got the higher than average volume on the downside. So we'll wait and see what happens here. Higher than average volume still coming down. So there she comes. Come on down. Candle is a little weaker than the last one, but it's all right. We're still in it. Got that higher than average volume. See, the trade manager is doing our job for us, guys. The trade manager is showing you higher than average volume on these candles so you can stay in this and take your profits where you want to. Just like me, I'm going to take them where I want to take them. Yes, sir, man. Got it going on this morning, making a really good trade. That's what I wanted to do. Just give me a good trade at the open this morning because the rest of the day could be sideways. So if it's sideways this morning, guess what? I've already made my money for the day. And that's what Paul is telling us. Use the trade manager. I do not trade without this trade manager and my 6-star anymore, ever. I just don't do it. So right there, 515, 510. I'm just going to probably get my profits in a few minutes. There's 5.25. Let's see if I can hit 600 for the day. That'd be perfect for me. That'd be a perfect trade for my account this morning on the new account. So, whoops, it's going to return. Looks like it's trying to go back. So we'll wait, see if she still comes back down. Higher than average volume still. So looks like these guys are wanting to push this thing down some more. So money, money, money. You're right, Daniel. We got money, money, money. I watched the right chart this morning. That's what I was saying, about me watching one chart, you watching another. We'll get something off one of these, and that's the way we do it. All right. So we got the new candle forming here. That was a weaker candle there, so just a little bit of weaker candle. Not too bad. One candle wonder. Trying to hold. Trying to hold. You want to come on down. Come on down and be our friend there, YM. 30 seconds, guys, on this one here. Let's see if this thing will keep pushing down. I'll probably take my profits about 515, 520 this time. Come on down, buddy. 5 seconds on this candle. Let's see if we can get another one. Yeah, it's really choppy. Here, there it comes, man. Boom. Higher than average volume again. Right there, guys. We stayed in this, and look what happened. Bam. I was looking for 515. There's 540, 545. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Got that divergence coming in. 6-star algo, come on. Got that. Got the EMA cloud showing us, hey, this is a good trade. The trade manager is doing our job for us, like having Paul sitting beside you. Look at this, guys. Higher than average volume all the way down, and we're still in this trade. This is one of those trades that it's like, you can be proud of this trade. Really nice looking trade. Got a good fall to it, higher than average volume on the trade manager. You know, just a beautiful trade. Not new candle forming right here. Could be another down. Still higher than average volume. Even on the cyan candle, higher in average volume. That's really cool. Let's see what she's going to do here. Come on, push back down some more for us. 490, 500. So she looks like she might try to reverse on this next candle right here. So just going to kind of watch it. One to watch it. Come on back down, baby. 30 seconds, guys. 30 seconds on this candle. So we're going to pay attention right here. Keep her coming down. Come on, just keep her coming down. We don't want a big reversal or no big giant candles forming up on us. I want to push back down 2 seconds. We'll see what we can get here. And I'm out right there at 505. So I'm taking my profits there, guys, at 505. You guys can manage your trade, stay in if you want to. You're still good. Trade managers showing average and higher than average volume candles, but I'm just going to take my money right there on my account, on my new account. Yes, it's a win, $505. So, and there's the pullback. So I think I bailed out just in time. Thank you, Daniel. Yes. And that's how we do it at the open, guys. That's a beautiful morning for everyone already. So even if you don't even make another trade today, guys, guess what? Hey, you've done good. You've done really good. That's cool. That's really good. 9:43 a.m. We have been trading not even 15 minutes in the market already and got close to $600. 500 and $505. And there was the pullback candle, which starting to kind of like where I can almost judge these, man. So I just wanted to kind of get out of that and get some profits this morning, make my day happy. Boom. Commissions. Hang on, I'll be right back. I saw my wife fall back, and I'm like, what? I was seeing things. She forgot her laptop for work. So, all righty. So the YM did really good, guys. That was a really good one. That was really awesome. And still continuing. That was just a pullback. So here he goes again. I'm just gonna wait on this one though, because this could really fall some more, but I could probably take one more and get in on the retrace back down. But I think the bottom is right here. This is what we're going to look at, the 179, 180. We'll wait and see if she breaks this with another candle. Breaks it with another candle. I mean, I can still get into it and takes a little more off of this, but we'll see. I like getting out for these pullbacks. About 6 seconds, guys, on this one here. There it comes. So I'm waiting to see if there it goes. Wait to see if it breaks this level. So what I'm looking for is to break right here, 253. Right there at the 253. The next candle forms under this candle, then it's probably going to sink, guys. Bouncing right there off that 253 or that one set, excuse me, that 177, not 253. Yeah, the 35 172 is what I meant to say. So let's see. She's got 15 seconds. Let's see if she breaks this with a new candle down. Remember, this is still the down market off the 6-star. I'm gonna add one right here. Just one. I don't think it's gonna work. We'll see. Higher than average volume, though, right there. It's going to retry to get her to come on down a little more for me, but I don't know. $20 risk is not much. You know what I mean? It's not like I'm risking a lot, 20 bucks. All right. So basically 30 seconds to go. I'll let her come on down a little bit. I don't know if this is going to stay on or not, but if I can get 50 bucks out of it, I'll take the extra 50 for the day. You know what I mean? It's not a big deal. 15 seconds, 15 seconds. I hope this thing just goes boom, big shooting candle down here. We could get a big fall here. But we'll see. There he comes. Let me get. So there we go. Yeah, just hopefully she'll push back down a little bit, guys, for me. I'm only $5 down, so I'm not really going to risk too much on this one. We still got about 30 seconds. This is the pullback of that down, so yeesh. I really want to lose no 50 bucks this morning. I don't like losing any money. You guys know how I am. I'm stingy about these losses. Come on, baby. Just push on back down to here. That's where we want you to see you go way down to the bottom here. 15 seconds. See if we can get another candle down, Daniel, this morning on this one here. Yeah, I think this one's over, guys. We'll see. 3 seconds. She'll come on back down a little bit here. There, she's trying to reverse back down, which is good, but none of it's going to last. It's that level right there. I just don't like that level. I like to see her pull under this level of that 177. She can break the 177 and come on down. She's probably going to go back to the 161. And that's what we want to see, just come on back down to that 161 there. Just barely trailing down. Not doing a lot here. Slow move. So yeah, I'm probably just going to have to bail on this one. But it's all right. I don't mind billing on $15, you know what I mean? Okay, so there's a 6-star. Hang on, let me get off of this one real fast. Yeah, I'm just getting that alert too. Yeah, that YM's starting to try to fall again now. Pushing. There you go. There's 60, about 75, 80. Probably just going to go ahead and take the $80 off this and bail to the NQ, guys. If we can get over there. There's 85. Are we going to get the $100 off this, you think? We might, guys. We could probably get an extra $100 right here off of this one, off a re-entry, because I'm watching. This is still a down, so 10 seconds. We'll see what happens here. Yeah, I figured they were tracking together, so that's good. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep it one contract this morning, stay in one. Just looking to get some you know, get around 600-700 bucks this morning. That was my goal. We don't have a goal, but I could push another 200 off this one, would be great, but we'll see. 30 seconds on this candle. So we're looking at the YM, if you're joining us, 1 minute chart. We already took the big fall here. We took this here for 500, got out, and I just got back in after the big pullback. I waited to re-entry on the pullback, managing that. Oh my God, you were on sim. That's terrible, man. I've done it. We've all been there. Higher than average volume again. So I'm just kind of waiting, just see what this will do. 500 bucks. Yeah, I'm probably just going to try to get another 100 out of this one and see what happens, guys. Keeps pulling back to like $65. It was 100, so I'm not going to let her pull back too far. I'll just take the profits. I don't want to pull back to even. And that's what she's doing right there. 30 seconds. We'll see if she pulls back down here, guys. Oh, come on. There you go. Come on. Stay with us. Stay with us, my friend. So that 5 seconds for 25 bucks. So just 2 seconds to see what happens here. Yeah, I'm just going to take the 30 right there, guys. I just took the 30 bucks and got out. Pull back up now. So I'm just not gonna take no loss right there. I got on the pullback candle again. And hey, look, higher than average volume still in this. So she could reverse and go down lower. So it's fun. I'm just kind of scalping it this morning, as you can see, taking these entries and making them work. So good morning. Second chance entry, made another 30 bucks right here. I could have took the 100. I should have, but it's all right. Hindsight's 2020. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. But we had a solid morning already, so I'm really happy. Yeah, I was going to be in it, Paul, with a manager. I'm just waiting because I didn't want to do the pullbacks. I told him to stay in the trade, stay in the trade. Yeah, he's got. You guys can manage your trade, stay in your trade. The pullback, the exits up here if you get the big green candle. But I'm just taking I'm taking profits on my new account as I go this morning. So if I cut mine before you cut yours, it's not because I'm thinking, it's going to go back up. I'm just getting my profits and taking them one step at a time this morning. And yeah, we could still be in this one, but I'm just waiting for the pullback. I'll get back in on the pullback and take it down again. It's what I like to do. But the trade manager is helping me, take this for 50, 60, 75, 80. Okay, let me do that. That's aggressive. There you go. Boom, boom. There we go. Oop, I'm probably going to, yeah, I'm going to have to take it off completely and put it back on because I changed it on my chart. Go here to the manager, and we'll go to aggressive this morning and create. There we go. Oh, no, see, that's looking better. I like that. Looks a lot better. Okay, so after the first 15, all righty then. Go aggressive on the 1 minute. Perfect. NQ probably falling right along with us, and there's an up candle there, so we'll see what happens here. I was going to try to get back in and take this, but I think our exit is coming soon. Yeah, testing that level. So what Paul's telling you guys is as long as the trade manager is doing the job and showing you the higher than average volume on these candles, you see my line right here? This line right here is pretty much, if that candle touches that EMA line, like if it comes back and touches the EMA here, it's pretty much where you would be getting out at. But I mean, everybody trades different. You can exit your trades whenever you want to. That's just what we go by. And sometimes you guys will see me exit my trades sometimes before because I like the profits on them, and I'll re-enter. But if I re-enter, I'll let you know where I'm re-entering at and why I'm doing it or whatever. But I'm just trying to build my capital right now so I can have that big move. So YMNQ short, CL short. I'm gonna sell it again. I'm in the YM again, but I'm down at the 160 level. She'll pull back down, guys. I just don't. Oh man, really on the copper. Yeah, I'm waiting for this YM to come back and fall. Go over the copper real fast. YM NQ. So you said that NQ was at that level though. Yeah, this is losing me money. Come on, baby, fall. It's got about 10 seconds. Yeah, I got to get out of that one. Shit, that was terrible. Hit the EMA. There's your exit right there. So never should have re-entered it. I knew it was going to go right back up. All right. So basically, the 6-star guys is right here. Entries at 40, or excuse me, 32, 320 right here on the NQ. So it's right there, the bottom of this candle here, 32.20. Excuse me. So yeah, we're gonna wait to see if this thing falls here too, because this is gonna be our next one. Let's check the NQ real quick. Holy crap! Yeah, the NQ really done its thing. But I got my line right here. If you guys seen this right here, well, my exit signal I use when it hits the cloud, Daniel. That's what I said. I'm not saying they have to. That's just where I get out at. Yeah, I lost a lot there, which I didn't want to do. Sorry, 310 on the day. So cool. We got an entry here on the copper, but I'm waiting for it here to come back. Also, like Paul was saying, I'm going to change this. I'm just going to delete my manager for 1 second, guys, and put it right back on. And what I'm doing is I'm going to go aggressive on the manager. Okay. 1 minute chart, so we're aggressive. So we could have gotten this one right here. It's got a new candle forming though right here. So there's the divergence too, right there. But the divergence cloud who just came in to give us confirmation of a down. So we'll see. We'll see. It's good. I mean, I wish I could have gotten the NQ, but the NQ looked like it was sitting at that resistance level. Yeah, I got the 6-star also on copper. That's what I'm in right now. I'm just waiting. Just kind of pulled back a little bit. I'm waiting for it to come back down before I re-enter or before I make my entry. Because your entry's down here. This is your 6-star here. Your entry's below support. So this is the entry right there. I'm doing a safe entry on it. So it's one candle down, which is the 3220, you know. So 3220 is the entry on it. Hey guys, how you doing, Anonymous? Good morning, guys. So that's got an entry on there, but what wait. But I don't see let's go here to the NQ guys. Yeah, the NQ man, jeez. Wow. This one here looking really good. There's your 6-star. There's your support. There's your entry there if you're in this one. See what she's gonna do. Look at that. Wow. Nice fall there. And it's got good fresh air too. Um, once it passes the 0.9 there, it's gonna come all the way down. It could really, really fall. Thirty-three, 33, 31. That's really good. I'm gonna go back over and check out the copper. Nope, copper returned back on us. So I'm just not getting in that one yet. Just wait for it to maybe break below this. Remember, like I said, guys, these 6-stars, they can retrace back and break, and when they do, they go down. Which one are you guys talking about? 24. 24 on what chart? You talking about the copper, or are you talking about which one are you talking about, guys? I see 24 is one of those critical levels you're saying, but which chart? Just kind of wondered. Yeah. So copper's a no-go right now. Yeah, NQ. That's I mean, I like the NQ, man. It looks like it's gonna fall, dude. It's holding that 34. And you can see it's holding this resistance level right here pretty good. And there's not one there. So the next resistance level down, guys, would I mean, if we can get it to fall is 982, excuse me, 984. So 984 is the next level down, guys. And from there, you're talking 941. So we're looking at the 984 coming down if we can get this thing to break. You know what I mean? And we're going to go ahead and just go ahead and redo this one. Aggressive too. So look at that. Boom. Yeah, she's going to come down, guys. I'm pretty sure this thing's going to tank. No, wait, though. She's trying to pull back up right now. And I've already blown my entry. I couldn't get in, it appears. So I'm not going to chase right now, but she'll pull down again. Yeah, pink MA to the upside. That's exactly right. Boom, like right here. But you can take profits how you choose to. That's a method we use. But I got a lot of guys that text me and said, "Why are we waiting for it to pull back that far?" And I'm like, "Well, that's how we do it." But that's just the way it is. So I'm waiting on the NQ at 32. Been holding that 32, 33 level, guys. And that's what I'm worried about here because she's going to have to stay under right here where it's sitting. I mean, we need to stay under this level right there on the chart, the line I just drew. So if we don't stay, if we pull back, you can see the white line I got right here on the chart. That's the resistance level right there, the white line that you're seeing. We're just barely under it. So we need another candle to form here and start pushing down. Yeah. Maybe we can get the big push here, guys. I think this next candle will tell the tale right here. This next candle is going to be the sign. Well, there we go. I'm going to try to wait till she pulls back at the 30-second mark, and I'm going to take this with one contract and short it. It's on the 6-star, so we're good. The entry's like right here, anyways. So we're still down, and like Paul said, they're still in it. So it's going to take a little bit of down off this one here. Entry 623. Better fall. Coming down. We break that 10, guys. Break that 12 or 10. Where if we keep coming down here, man, if we just get past this last candle there, that just this last wick, this thing has potential. It really does. You're gonna get a little bit of a pullback right here in just about 3-4 seconds, but you can see I'm already $205 up on this entry, guys, and that entry was right there at the 222. But I'm not going to pull back on me. I will take profits on these candles, but we're in it, just in it to win it. This candle should be really good, guys. It should be the telltale sign of what's going to happen with this. I don't like that $120 pullback right there. That's terrible. Come on. Really? The NQ is so finicky sometimes. There she comes. The 30 seconds on this candle. Let's hold it and see what happens here. We'd like to see it come on down. Past that 1025, guys. 15,000, 1025 is what we want to see it break that. We can break that 1025, this thing will tank. It's slow trickling down, though, which is good for us. New candle forming right here, so we'll see. Yeah, come on. Get back down there. We want to see that 110, man. Come on down to 110. It's 112. There you go, 113. Come on, be our friend. I'm probably going to take about 250 off this if I can get it. Maybe a little more. There's the 210. There it is, 29. So I'm saying if she breaks the she breaks the one, excuse me, if she breaks the 10, the 1050 there, we got it made. And guys, we got it made because she's at the 9 now. So we just got to get past that 8, past that 7 level. Come on. If she comes on down to 15 even, we are looking really good for 15 even here. So that's where I want to see her come right down to 15 even. Boom. Come on, baby. There's what I'm talking about right there, guys. Look at this. Come on. I'm going to pull back on us. We don't want to go back to the 10, though. 0, 1. 1 is now our mark, guys. 1. Oh, come on. Don't pull back that far. Come on. Get yourself back down there and give us what you want. So now we're at 11, 10 again. We're back at that 10. So as long as we're under the 10, I think she's going to push down to 1. Here comes 6. All righty, guys. There comes the 6. 650 right there. We got to get that 650, 6.7. 7.6 right there out of the way. Get this new candle rolling in 4 seconds here. Let's see if this new candle puts us past that 1 mark, 15,001. Let's just see if it happens here, guys. Yeah, it did. I did really good on it this morning. $500 was awesome. Yep, still using Trade Manager. It's still in it. We're in it. I'm just going to take my profits when I can this morning just to kind of get my account boosted. Brand new account. It's all good. Come on, just push that 1. We're still in the trade, guys. Just waiting for it to fall past the 1 level. I don't know if she's going to, though, or not. It's really starting to look like it's going to hang here. So I'm going to wait and see what happens. $300 on this trade. I'd like to get to 5 and get out if I can. Yep, you're still in all of those, man. I got the NQ up right now, Paul. We're still in it. We're just kind of hanging with it. Boom! Look at this, guys. There we go. Come on down to 1. That's what we want to see. I want to see this thing go, go, go. I don't really want to. All right, so we're still in it. Look at this little candle. I'm sorry, Paul. I was on the 12. I was just so used to trading that 12 minute. I'm on aggressive, I think, anyway. But look at this, guys. This thing is still falling. Higher than average volume. There's our entry up there. Doing good. You're still in this trade with me. I'm just kind of holding it. I'm just waiting to see what we're going to get out of this. It's underneath the 501. Like I said, guys, it came under that 501. Now remember, we're using the Trade Manager. Go to your like and subscribe button and check it out. The Trade Manager. Look at the link is on the description of the YouTube. If you're watching this YouTube video, you're seeing this Trade Manager work twice today. I've already used it 2 times and a reentry on 1. So 3 times actually I've used it and made profits every time. And I'm over $1,000 today on my account. Now I'm probably I'll see how far I get on my account, but I'm going to be over $1,000 on my account today. No, I'm not, Paul. I'll switch it over in a second. I'm just watching it fall, man. $705. Okay, so we'll go up here and change this off here, guys. I'll have to take it off, put it back on. There you go. And we'll go aggressive, just like Paul said. Boom. There we are, aggressive. Boom. And it's showing right there. Look at this. Higher than average volume. Higher than average volume on all these candles, guys. And yeah, Paul, I'm sorry I didn't think about the aggressive this morning. That you said the first 15 minutes. I'll remember that for tomorrow. We just got excited because we're just taking profits. This is a beautiful. I thought today was going to be crazy and sideways, but hey, I told you we'd probably get that down, though, and that's what we're looking at is the downside of the market. And I'm up $670 on this one right here. So beautiful. Got divergence coming in. Remember, everybody, check out the YouTube link subscriptions. Look at the links in the YouTube page. You can find all of this in there. The bundle, the Trade Manager, everything. Yep. Afghanistan is making the market move. to the downside. Boom. Come on. Another candle trying to come down here. I'm holding about 650. About $750 I've got in this. I've only got one contract in this, guys. One contract. Remember, I told you I was going to be conservative today. And one contract, I'm up 830 already. So I took this entry way up here. It's showing you where my entry was. So, I mean, it's like, boom, one contract. And I got in, I think I got in like the 24. Excuse me. 1 second. I had to sneeze. So I'm back. Well, Paul, there's my $1,000 trade getting ready to come right here. So just letting you guys know, I'm fixing the top of $1,000 here. Oh yeah, we're going to be topping $1,000 here real soon. This is beautiful. Now remember, the trade manager is showing you higher than average volume. Okay, higher than average volume candles. It's beautiful, man. This is amazing candle. Look at this candle right here. Boom, just straight down. Look at that, $1,040 on the trade, guys. I've already traded close to $1,600 today already. So it's beautiful. It's gonna make my morning. Thank you, Paul. I appreciate your insight also. I know you're busy with your group and stuff, but having you come on here, man, and giving us insight sometimes is really, I'm really thankful for that, and I do appreciate it, man. You made this for us from a trader. You know, you made it. You're a trader yourself. You made the trade manager and all this great products that we use, and I couldn't be more thankful to be using it. It's really changed my way of trading, and I just want to say thank you for it, and thank you for the insight and the help that you give us and guidance. It's really cool, man. I'm trying to get $1,000 again, right there. Come on. We want the 1,000. We got 30 seconds of this candle, guys. So guess what? We still got the higher than average volume that Paul's telling us about. Boom, stay in the trade. I don't know if you guys have seen this on YouTube, but hey, this is how we trade. Yeah, that's what I'm. Yeah, 940, that 947 level. Yeah, and that 960 was a real pain like a couple weeks ago too, right here. It's about the 947s where she's probably going to stop. That's what I'm thinking too. 947 in that area, I think we had before. Yeah, the reds are the distribution candles, and they're beautiful this morning. I mean, look at this. The trade managers kept us in the trade, guys. And before when I see the candle going pullbacks and stuff, before I got this, I'd get out. Like, I'm getting out, man. I'm up $1,300 right now in this trade. Daniel, I know you've got to be in this trade with me. You guys got to be in this. Anonymous, are you in this trade? Daniel, you in this trade? Steph, let me know if you guys are in the trade with me. Let us know what you do. Let us know if you're in the trade. Let us know if you made profits today. Put it on the YouTube. We want to see it, guys. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. The 495. Excuse me, the 995 is going to be probably where I'm going to. Cha-ching, cha-ching, ching-ching. That's what we're having this morning. Do you hear that bankroll ping? There it is, right there, guys. I know it's silly, but it's kind of fun. 1,400 up on the morning, and more volume coming in. This thing could really fall. This could be a $3,000 trade. You never know. Look at the volume coming in now at the 949. Boom! It's just really wanting to push that level there. Yeah, I'm gonna really keep mine tight. I'm gonna probably take my 14. If it gets down to like 14 again, I might just take my profits, Paul, because I'm getting off in about 10 minutes anyway. But I'm gonna wait. This candle comes on down. I'd like to see it push that 40 mark, Paul, 445, because I think that's where she's just like you said. She might stop there. That that yeah. So that's what I'm looking at too. Don't be a yeah. That's funny. Yeah, it's pulling back. There's already a $200 pullback. Come on down, baby. We got 15 seconds, guys. 15. We should get that next candle. We still got higher than average volume. Higher than average volume. See it? Beautiful. One contract. That's hilarious. Just one contract in this thing. $1,400 with one contract. That's hilarious. The trade manager is doing his job. Doing his job this morning, and man, this NQ is really looking good. Really looking good. Yeah, there's the blue one. Come on back. Get her back where she was. 30 seconds. This is that 30-second pullback, guys. Remember I told you about the 30-second pullback? Watch it to 15 seconds here. Give it about another 5 seconds and watch this thing turn red again. Or maybe not. We'll see. You should start going right red again at the last 8 seconds here, 5 seconds coming down. She'll pull back right here and start trailing back down to the red side. Yeah, 981. Boom. And that's going to be that for me right there. Come on, baby. Just trying to reverse back down again, slowly but surely. 30 seconds on the pull. Let's see if she reverses back down here, guys. Yeah, I got my stop at like, can't see it on my screen, but my stop's it's about, yeah, my stop's just right below that. All right, here we go. 10 seconds. Let's see if she pulls back down. It should be a pullback right here, guys. It might pull back right here on this next candle to the down again. Should start pulling back to the downside right here on this candle. Yeah, yeah. I'm just gonna probably take my profits right here before she pulls back. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take my $1,000 right there. That's a great trade. $1,000 trade. I was actually 1,100 on that one. So I just took my profits because I'm getting ready to get off in 6 minutes anyway. But I took my profits right here, guys. But this is not done. Um, but this is beautiful, man. This is beautiful. Boom, $1,400. That's amazing already today, guys. 1,400. You see it on my screen right there. $1,400 day. But I didn't add in the other yet because remember I made that, what was it, 5 this morning? So yeah, that's about right. Should have been 16, but she's only showing 14, but oh well, it doesn't matter. But man, what a trade. The win, guys. That's 2 wins today. Two and two wins, 2 losses, none. Using the trade manager. Wins 2, losses none. And guess what? Hey, if you manage your trades, you want to take that grand, or you want to take that 14, that's fine with me. But you know, we do the the pullback here. It hasn't hit the EMA cloud. Hasn't topped out above it yet, so we're good there. We're still in this trade. It can still reverse and go right back down. I only got about 5 minutes left to get off this morning, but what a great morning. It's just been a beautiful morning, guys, and I really appreciate it. And look, there's our down again. It's going to come right back down again. But this has just been a beautiful morning. Beautiful morning. And I know, Daniel, you had to make something off of this, right? You wouldn't on Sim, though, right? Yep, 973. Yep. Yep. It's stop loss. Do you mind staying in and watch this trade for a few more minutes? No, Paul, I'm cool. Just let me run to the bathroom 1 second, and I'll come right back. I'll stay in with you guys. There it comes again. I should have stayed in it. I got off because I was gonna get off, but I'm gonna stay in. I might as well just wait and see what this thing does. Let me run the bathroom real quick, guys. I'll be right back. We're gonna watch this trade. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm back, guys. I just had to go to the restroom. We're gonna watch this trade for a few more minutes. I got out because I went to the bathroom and stuff, but I got out because I thought I was gonna get off. But we're gonna watch it. I'm gonna stay in it, just see what happens here. Stay with it. This is a beautiful trade, Paul. I know everybody took. I know people listen to Uncle Paul. That's what I'll start calling you, Uncle Paul and cousin Damien. Oh mercy! I'm just wondering about a reentry. I probably could. I don't know if I should reenter or not. I was thinking seriously about reentering on this one though. This is awesome, guys. 48 right here, 49. This is a beautiful level. It's only got about. It's going to pull back right here in this 30-second mark. You guys, like I always time these candles. Watch right here in this next 2 seconds. A little bit of pullback to like the 50 right here, 50, 51. Then she'll start coming back down when she starts trailing back toward the 15-second mark. See that 50 right there? You're going to hit that 50, and then it's going to come right back down again. There's the 50. So watch this level right here because, boom, we wanted to break that 46. Oh, cool. Special guest, huh? That's awesome.
How you doing, guys?
Really
We're not
good,
double bubbing on the sound, are we? Is it okay? Yeah. Okay. See my screen okay?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Okay. So a lot of this time with the manager, you've got to give things a chance. So when I was shouting out all of those, I was just following the cloud down, but I've now left it at this, just above this pivot point at 14,973, because I want to give this a chance. The lower than average volume still coming down now. We've not got higher than average volume. So this support that I drew in from my hourly that I mentioned is back here. okay, from the hourly time frame. We have massive rejections at this price, and when we look left, there are lots more rejections. So this is why I've got that on my chart right now on the hourly. And then when I'm on the 1 minute, I'm just being set. Oh, there it goes. It's broken down already. Okay, so now you can adjust your, look at that baby go. Okay, just to stop now to 14,959. There you go. You gotta trust Uncle Paul. The manager is there for a reason. Yeah, I'm going to show you gold. Gold pulled back, low volume. Gold entry for me was 1777.7. This is now at 1787. This is 200 ticks. This is a $2,000 per one contract trade because I trusted the manager on this 5 minute. NQ, I trusted the manager. I've got to give the trade a chance. I've put it on aggressive here. It's on aggressive. I knew this was going to be support. So I just wanted to just follow this down, follow it down, follow it down. We did pull back lower than average volume. It's a low volume pullback against the move.
Oh, man.
Now we've broken through that support. We're just up above the cloud here at 14,958. If it shoots back up now, see, this was a higher than average volume candle, and it was a distribution candle, but it rejected the lows. This could be the turnaround point now. That's why you've got to have your trailing stop now around about 14,958, okay? Because this was higher than average volume, but it also rejected the lows. That's about a 618 retracement on that candle alone. So that's the first higher than average volume candle we got for quite a while, but it rejected the lows. Now we're actually continuing that higher than average volume with a bullish candle. So now the manager is telling you it's getting time to get out. It's not quite time yet. Got a very, very tight trailing stop on here now. It's above the cloud. You see the cloud moving? The cloud is actually looking in the future 4 candles, okay? At the moment, my trailing stop's above that cloud. We've had a high volume rejection. We've had a bullish candle with higher than average volume, although it's gray, so it is less volume than that previous one, but I'm very, very strong on aggressive on that trading stop now, just giving it every chance in the world to come back. Okay, so it's gone through that, it's taken it out. That is using the aggressive trade because, you know, I can't look right. All I can see is this came down to my support, low volume pullback against the move, then it starts to come back down again. On another day, that may have been enough, but this one candle here that rejected the lows, it's a red candle, so it's higher than the previous candle volume, and it's also higher than average volume. That's a sign. That price action with the volume together is a sign that's going to return. There was no real sign here on this move down that was going to come back aggressively because gray candles, so they're up candles with lowering volume. We got lower than average volume. There was no reason for us to get out of that trade at that point because it was just running out of juice and it came back down again. And then when we look at gold, you know, trading stop now for this one's going to be 1784. This is a combination of the gold pit open, this 5 minute range, trading out of there. You also had a 4-star and a 6-star buy as well. So there was no reason not to get in that gold trade this morning, and there's no reason to get out of it right now. Every pullback we've had has been low volume. So this one is it's a $2,000 per one contract trade. You trade in 5 contracts. It's a big trade, this one, gold today. NQ, just as big a trade. Great trade today on NQ. I mean, that we traded that off the 1 minute 6-star sell here after the open. After that first 15 minutes where you get all of the up and down and aggressive and volatility. So this one on the 1 minute was basically 3 minutes after that volatility crisis, if you like, and that's the entry 1 tick below on that 1 minute there, 150684. So this trade is you know, it just took us out there. 439 ticks. How much is it per tick? $5 or?
Yes.
Okay, so that's a big trade. 439 ticks on NQ.
Wow.
The reason why I got out of YM is because the manager told me to. Okay, we had this pullback first. I didn't panic. It was low volume pullback against the move. We came back down again, and then all of a sudden we have this high volume candle, and the cloud turned green. That tells me to get out. Okay, but NQ at the same time did not tell me to get out. We had a low volume pullback, lower than average volume dots there. Comes back down, we have lower than average volume again. Okay, you've got to give it a chance, because sometimes when we burst through these major support zones, it just keeps flying. And as we did this live right then, that was a high volume rejection of the lows, followed by that candle with higher than average volume. That was the good time to get out. You're giving it a chance to go. So yeah, really, really happy today. Great trading day. Took the rest of the week off, really. It was just, you know, phenomenal. The trade that's still in is gold. Okay, that is still in right now. So we're good. Any questions on this before I go? This was perfect trading today.
I know.
And again, guys, look at the silver trade. Okay, the silver trade, you used the same gold pit open. Massive trade here. Now, at this point, we're getting higher than average volume red candles. That's the time to get out aggressively at that point. And this trade was around about 32 ticks, 32 times 25. Okay, that was the trade there. So what we've got here is, if we're on aggressive right now, it's still green. But for me, if I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 red candles, all with higher than average volume, that's a sign. It's a sign from Uncle Paul that you should take the aggressive exit in this phase here. Take your profits and get out. Okay, we never got that on NQ. The only higher than average volume candles we got were down candles. So we never got that green candle with higher than average volume to give us that time to get out. So you've got to understand, please watch the training videos for this. It's on the YouTube channel. It's under, where is it now? It's on, Damien can give you a link. Anyway, watch the training video for the manager. It's extremely important to understand the behavior and what it's telling you to do. Okay, with gold, it's saying stay in. Okay, this could be a $3,000 plus per one contract trade right now, gold. Okay, it's telling you to stay in. It's got everything going for it. You've just got to stay in. With NQ, we were right to get out at this point here at 14,958. That was the time to get out here. This high volume rejection on another day may have not happened, and it could have kept going down. You see how the cloud's sort of trying to turn green as well now. So that's, you know, we are right to be out of that one. Just want to show you a quick thing on crypto. You think futures trading is good. My average holding on Solano is $25. Look what's happened over the last couple of days. It's now at nearly $67. That's 3x investment. Okay, massive move on crypto, huge move on Solano. Really, really fantastic. What else is moving as well? ADA is moving as well. I mean, look at this now. Again, we were down on these lows, got lots of positions in ADA with my inner circle here. Near these lows, got lots of good double bottoms, got this 5 and 6 star, added some more, and it's just shot up massively. So you get massive moves on crypto, but you've got to be very, very careful. You've got to be, the money you put into crypto is money you're prepared to lose, without a doubt. You've got to just be prepared to lose that money. But Solano for me is the big move of the day today. Huge move, new highs, massive moves. Right, guys. Hopefully that helps. Great trading today. For me, it's a big day, so I probably won't be trading for the rest of the week. So, you know, you don't get these days very often. You don't get consecutive days like this, so just be aware of that. So have a great trading day. Great session again, guys. Hopefully Damien's bookmarked this and we'll include that in the highlights next week. And don't forget, guys, tell your friends, this is all free. Yes, you've got to buy the indicators, but I'm telling you now, you know, Mike made $1,500 today. The day trading bundle is $1,500 for life. The return on investment for these are phenomenal. The manager would have kept you in trade today, made you enough money to cover the $399 for the manager for life. It's not a difficult choice. Trading is a business. What can you buy that's going to last you for life? Come to the free trading room, get that support, and make money. You know, you've seen it live. Mike does it live. I don't do it live because I trade with my inner circle. Sometimes I try and come on to show the trades that we've done. These guys pay me a shitload of money. I'm sorry, to trade with. So, and before you ask, it's full, and I don't think anybody's going to leave. So, but I just, you know, these indicators have been developed for you to help you maximize your profits. Get in, and we've actually called the new bundle now Cradle to Grave. The expert and the manager. It's called Cradle to Grave. Cradle is the one that gets you in, that's the expert, and then the grave is the one that keeps you going as long as you can until you actually get out and take the profit. So that's what you need. The day trading bundle has got that extra with the harmonics and the divergence cloud to give you that confirmation. But you know, we have indicators that will give you some fantastic futures trades, crypto trades, stocks trade, it doesn't really matter. So I'm going to go now, guys. Enjoy the rest of your trading day, and good luck for everything else.
All right. Thank you, Paul. Thank you for the insight too, brother. I appreciate it. All righty, guys. You heard it right there from Uncle Paul. So it's great to have him come on here and give us insight, guys. And he's taught me so much about trading. He really has. I really am thankful to know Paul and have got to know him, you know, more on the trading, you know, the trading level, and kind of get to know more as a personal level of this, you know, and see how, and, you know, just listen to him talk about the things that we do on here is great. And you guys, like he said, $1,500 pays for like a lifetime. I've already made that this morning. So, you know, I tell all my friends, man, give up that, you know, give up all of these studies over here that you see and get something that really works. You know, the X-Brat and all the products we have and the descriptions on the link of the YouTube, the X-Brat and everything that we have, the Trade Manager, these products work, you know, and you guys see me use them online every day. I make money with them. You know, I don't get money, big money every day, but hey, some days I might get $300-400. Some days I might get 2,000 or 3,000. Last week I got what, $5,000. So last week's trade was 4,600 on Thursday. I'm up 15 today. So that's about $6,100 in 2 days of trading with the Trade Manager. You know, and that pays for it right there. You know, so you can't go wrong there. So just remember what Paul says, though. You know, I might get out sometimes before, you know, I'm supposed to, but I just wanted to kind of take those profits this morning so that you guys see me actually taking profits on a real account, because I do use a real account, and you can see it. It's right here. Oops, right there. See me click on my real account right there, guys. That is a real account, and boom, it's right there. So I'm not trading on a sim when I trade with you guys. I'm trading on an actual real account. So there's, you know, I don't like to mislead, and that's a cool thing. So just hit the like and subscribe button. Check out the links in the description. I just posted, Damien, I just posted that link in our Discord page for Day Trade Mafia. The Day Trade Mafia Discord is where everybody hangs out with us. The Trade Managers, it does, man. It's just great. I love it. And it works on, it works on a lot, man. It's just really cool. And these futures today, man, this Afghanistan thing's pushing that market down. So, hey, you might never know. This afternoon might be really, really cool. We might have some really good stuff running this afternoon also, and we'll find out. You got the 5-star over here again on the YM 1 minute on the aggressive over here. So maybe if this YM guys breaks while I'm at lunch. Remember, if this YM breaks this 35 234, you're going to tank and down to that 146. So this could be a 100-point drop again down here in this level if it breaks these levels. But, right now we're holding a resistance level. I need to find out what ticker is for motorway. What ticker you need to find out, Daniel? I can probably tell you. Which ticker are you looking at? I was going to give a chance to answer before I get off here. I hope you guys are going to come back to the afternoon session with me. All of you guys. I want you all in here. If you made money today, put it in the descriptions, let us know. Yeah, the testimonial. That's perfect. Yeah, just just oh, you talking about the continuous rollover contracts? Yeah. Your motor wave will update automatically if you go up to the let's see. I think it's one of these up here. I know it's on the one file. I'll have to look. Let's see here. I do believe it's it might be under preferences. I'm not sure, but I know it's got a rollover because mine does it automatically on the continuous contract. I'll ask Motorway when I'm at lunch, Daniel. Maybe we can figure it out together. But I set mine up a long time ago. I've had this program for a while, and they did it for me. It was really cool. But as you guys know, this afternoon session, man, we've done really good this morning. We had some really good trades. The trade manager did a really good job for us, kept us in the money, and that's what we like. And like I told you guys, I don't trade anything except these 6 stars. And look at this NQ. Back down again. So basically, we trade the 6-star algo, and we got the divergence to match it all the way down. The trade manager kept us in the higher than average volume, and we just kind of took it all the way down to here, and that was beautiful. I think I got out actually right here, but I got back in here and made some more money. But it was beautiful, beautiful morning, great morning. So hit the like and subscribe button, ring the notification bell, guys. You guys come back on here with me today at 2 p.m. And we'll get back in some more trading this afternoon and see if we can make a little bit extra money this afternoon. And I'm going to go to lunch now, and I'm going to turn it over to Damien to take us out to lunch. And I'll see you guys back at 2 p.m. Eastern time for the afternoon session. So you guys have a great morning and enjoy the profits you've made, and also hit those testimonials and let us know. So Damien, take us to lunch, brother. Thank you guys for coming this morning. I'll see you this afternoon.